Here we're going to highlight the importance of how we make adjustments with our images. As you can see, we've been making our adjustments with adjustments layers for our hue and saturation and also our brightness and contrast, and we're able to toggle these on and off like so. However, we can also make adjustments by going to image. If we actually select our layer first, now if we go to image, and from here if we go to adjustments, and again we've got similar things that we can do here. So if we was to select hue and saturation from here, now we can adjust this like so, and when we're happy we can literally just select OK, and as you can see that's been applied. However, we do not have another copy of this at the moment, and when making these adjustments we can't just toggle these options on and off. So if we do a Control Z, a good thing to bear in mind is if you're working on making adjustments directly to the image, you may want to make a copy, so with a Control J. And in this case again, if we was to go to image for example, and if we was to go to adjustments, and this time around if we was to go to brightness contrast, and again if we wanted to make our adjustments like so and select OK, and as you can see now that's been applied to that layer. So when you want to make adjustments directly to a layer, it's a very good idea to make a copy.